welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's get into it. Immediately, I'm doing a kinky edge straight wig tutorial again, okay? Here's why. I am gonna give this another go. This time I'm not plucking nothing. I'm not doing nothing, okay? Because the last time I had a video, people was like, girl, what happened? All right, so no plucking. I'm not plucking nothing. I'm going to be placing the wig on my head as it came. I'm not going to alter it at all. You guys are gonna see what it looks like from start to finish, me putting it on, me styling it. I'm not plucking the edges. I'm not cutting the edges. I'm not doing nothing to that. Don't mind Shaquafala. Okay, listen, I was watching her stories. She had a time last night, honey. I don't know what the other eyelash is. It is. Ah! Stop it. We need some Alka-Seltzer or something, girl. So here is the texture, one of my favorite textures. I love this. I'm going to probably press it out and put some curls in it because when you press this out, it looks so natural, right? Girl, listen. You have been relieved of your duties. Go take a nap. Very long, very thick, and so soft. I already washed her, and let me show you a quick peek at the inside. The knots came pre-bleached, so let me go ahead and show you what the wig looks like. So it has the kinky edges. Here is a close-up of the edges. It's not too much. It's not like an inch of edges, right? It's very minimal. So here's the inside of the cap. So you can see how much parting space you got to play with. There's 2 temple combs. There is the adjustable strap that's on the inside, which I am definitely going to be wearing. And there's this little flap of lace for if you wanted to wear up to. And I'm not skilled enough to do that, so I will not, no. I saw a hat that you use this and then flip the wig part. Y'all seen it on TikTok? I said, one day I'm gonna try that, but I'm not. Today's not that day. So here's a nape comb, and then it's got the adjustable straps. So I'm gonna go ahead before I even get started and cut this back off and adjust all my straps. Before I go ahead and put the wig on, I wanna show you what UNice has included in this box. Crush proof. So I got my goodie bag. Inside my goodie bag, a wig cap, there's an adjustable powder brush, some lashes, and a hairline band. And then there's your dust bag to put your wig in after wearing it. Some additional wig caps, and a cute little mirror. See? It's very Barbie. So everything's been adjusted. I'm gonna go ahead and see how it fits on my head, and if I have to make more adjustments, I will. I'm gonna cut the extra lace off so I can see what I'm talking about. So she's on and she's good, and I don't know what it is about UNice caps, but they always fit right over the ear perfectly. So no cutting necessary with that. And both sides look ready to go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray the inside of the cap with a little bit of tinted lace, and then I'm going to go ahead and lay my lace down. I am laying my lace down today with a combination of It's Giving Laid and Slayed by the Frontal Queen and some Got To Be glue gel. First thing I want to do though is I want to brush the hair out of the way so I don't get any stuck into my adhesive.
This morning got me feeling brand new, like I know what to do. Got me feeling nostalgic. Ancestors sending clues, and I'm sending gratitude back. Cause the whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride, head in the sky. We gon' make it if we try. The truth never lie, wings we could fly with you by my side. This morning, oh yeah. Always greener on the other side. And but we gon' make it out the struggle though we traumatized.
But I don't want to smush the edges into the wig cap, so I think I'm just gonna let it chill like this for 20 minutes before I do anything, because I really don't want to lay down edges into glue, and it's real easy to do that with these kinky edged wigs when you're when you put that hairline band on. So I'm gonna let it just sit out here in the open and air dry. And when I feel like it's secure enough, I'll come back. I'm going to do my standard 25 minutes just to double check and make sure before I do anything else with this wig. Like, I'm not even going to move my facial expressions. I don't want nothing to slip back, because it looks pretty good right now. All right, I'll be back. 25 minutes. Okay, I'm back. It's been some time and everything is pretty dry here. I'm gonna have some spots to touch up. Yeah, we good. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace.
So obsessed, fixated on your body, yeah, in your velvet dress, laid to rest, all these fellas they say.
So I sprayed the spray to get rid of the white cast, and then the thing that I'm gonna do is I'm just not gonna touch it. I'm not gonna touch it. See, when you touch it, you start messing stuff up, but it looks so good now. Let me get a close up. I haven't done anything with any makeup, so this is like pre-styled hair. It's giving when Nicki Minaj first came out. It's very low, but I don't know how to apply kinky edge wigs any kind of way because, you know, I don't know. So it's really va va boom. You can wear it like this. Here is what she's given after I went ahead and did my edges so carefully. Cause I can't even tell you how many times I've tried this and they have not worked. I will say I think that not using a hairline band is what's gonna give you a very natural look when it comes to these kinky edges. So I'm going to go ahead and style her now, but right now she's giving ba ba boom. Oh, honey. I'm gonna add some curls and I'm gonna press her just a little bit. Because this texture is very thick and it can be very overwhelming, especially in the summertime. So let's get this styling. I'm gonna get my tools and I'm gonna be right back.
So obsessed, fixated on your body, yeah, in your velvet dress, laid to rest, all these fellas they salty, yeah. Only wonder how I got so lucky. Yeah, I just can't believe I got you.
So I'm all done. Curling that took a long time. That took a long time because when I was curling my hair, I wasn't going to flat iron it, but then like halfway through I was like, nah, bro, you got to flat iron this. So I did it. And it took a little bit longer than I thought it was going to. But we're all done now. I can remove all my clips. And see what we got. Let me comb this out a little bit. I mean, I didn't want it to be super curly. I just wanted a style. Let me tell you something. These edges look so good. I'm so proud of myself. Oh my God. Like, I think the trick is to legit don't do anything to them. Just let them cook. Just let them be them. Don't try to straighten them out. Oh, let me clip that. In the past, I tried so much to try to do something with the kinky edges because I never really knew what to do with them. I didn't know if I should straighten them. They look really natural with this kinky straight wig, so I don't see the need to do anything more to them. Like, I'm gonna use my wig powder to define my part, even though it doesn't really need it. I'm just semantics. I'm really happy with how my edges came out. I'm gonna put a little gloss on because you know I always put some gloss on. So that's it. Same installation that you would use on any other wig, except don't touch the edges. Don't try to straighten them. They can look good on a kinky straight unit, and they do look good on a kinky straight unit. I don't know what I was doing before. I know for me and my personal preferences, I like a wig with a good amount of volume, and you gonna get some volume with a kinky straight, okay? So I just had to tame it a little bit, but if that's not the style you're looking for, you wanna wear it vavoom, just remember, don't use that hairline band, and you'll be all right. You will be okay. A kinky edge wig and you weren't sure, I would say look on TikTok, watch those girls install, watch some YouTube videos, and do my little trick of not doing a thing to them. And then good luck, because it is trial and error, which is the only way I seem to be able to learn. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. All the information about this beautiful hair from UNice will be in the description box below, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
This morning got me feeling brand new, like I know what to do. Got me feeling nostalgic. Ancestors sending clues, I'm sending gratitude back. Cause the whole world's outside, sun in my eye, a curl in my right, head in